What is going on, guys? It's your main man, James. And today I'm going to be talking about an advanced method, never before seen method, that we are going to be doing affiliate marketing with. And I call this the sniper method. And you're going to see a little bit into the video why exactly I call it this sniper method, okay? So the first thing you guys need to understand is that a lot of people, they are either consumers or they're business owners, okay? So if I install WordPress, I want to have a blog, I want to talk to my friends, I want to run a, I want to just describe my day. I'm a consumer. I'm not really a business minded, right? I'm a producer, but this is content for just my parents or friends or stuff like that. But there's a lot of other people that get a WordPress site in order to make money. And these are the people we're going to be focusing on today. So WordPress is 100% free, but there's a lot of plugins that cost money. So if you want like good plugins, powerful plugins that do a lot of really great things, make your life easier, help you in productivity, help you to make more money, they're typically going to be premium plugins. So here I have professional WordPress plugins. So what I'm trying to get at is that if you want to have a site that's making money, you want email marketing, you want to do ads, you want to sell something, you will have to pay money for premium plugins, right? So if I open this article right here, we have 50 plus best WordPress plugins essential for professional websites. Okay, so this is the keyword here, professional websites. We're not talking about, a regular blog that talks about, what the person had for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, talking about their day, stuff like that. We are talking about professional websites, professional sites. And so if we scroll down, we have a lot of these plugins. So I believe this list has 50 plugins, right? So you have contact forms, you have spam protection, okay? You have this kind of things. You have security plugins, right? And a lot of these plugins are premium or freemium. So meaning you have the free version, you have the paid version, right? So for instance, search engine optimization. If I have a regular blog and I'm just, talking, just discussing my day and just sharing ideas, I'm not gonna get a search engine optimization. But if I'm relying on my website to make money, put bread on the table, put food on the table, obviously I will be investing in these kinds of plugins, okay? And so it's very, very valuable for us in order to figure out who these people are, right? This is lead generation. This is, business 101. You need to find these people who are willing to spend money. And we're not going out to, government's websites and just finding random sites, new businesses, stuff like that. That's also useful. But this is the sniper method because we're going after very, very specific people. For instance, somebody who has a rank math plugin. I have this plugin on some of my sites because it helps me with SEO. And these sites, they make me money from affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. So I need to make sure they're ranking properly. Google Analytics, I want to see stats, right? So all of these plugins, on this list at least, they are premium or freemium plugins, okay? Meaning like they're either going to be fully paid plugins or they're going to have a free version, and then if you want like extra features, stuff like that, you will have to pay for it. And so our job is to see who these people are, these people that are running businesses, these people that are, buying these plugins and stuff like that. Well, you might be asking yourself, well, James, this is very hard to do. I can't go out and randomly find these people or ask everybody on the internet what kind of plugins they're on. Thankfully there's a way to do it, right? This is the 21st century. There's all kinds of tools. You can do a lot of amazing things online, and one of these tools is called Wepalizer, right? This is the tool. You can just Google for it. It's called Wepalizer, Wepalizer, however you pronounce it, right? And it says, find out what websites are built with. Now, there's several tools that kind of do something similar, and so I may cover some of these other tools later in the video or maybe in another video, but this is a really great tool. And so if we open this tool right here, this is what it looks like. It allows us to identify technologies on a website. And typically these technologies, for the most part, they're going to be very, very powerful. They're going to be very, very interesting to us. So it says here, find out the technology stack of any website, create lists of websites that use certain technologies and company and contact details. Use our tools for lead generation, market analysis, and competitor research. And so I'm going to show you a really great way to do affiliate marketing that's actually a very helpful way to the users, not just a random way, but this is actually going to help everybody to make more money. It's going to help you. It's going to also help the user to make money. Everybody's going to be happy. So as you can see, it says here, empower your sales and marketing teams, website profiling, lead generation, market research, etc., etc. So you can look up a website, you can upload a list, and you have an API. So for instance, if I click on look up a website, I can enter, let's say, WordPress.com. Okay, I can do that and I can figure out what is their technology stack. What are they running on it? So it says blogs, CMS. They have a MySQL database. They use PHP programming language. This is their reverse proxy. This is their JavaScript framework. This is their appointment scheduling, tag managers. These are very, very useful. Take a look at this whole list. JavaScript, advertising, analytics, widgets. And you may be thinking, this is great. James, you're a genius, but how can I make money with this? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with it. So if you go into products, okay, and you go into lead lists, okay, now here you can actually get a list of websites that contain a certain technology. So what is that technology? Well, it tells you, choose one or more technology, for instance, Shopify or categories, e-commerce. So you can go in here and you can type a technology. And so you need to pick a niche. What do you want to focus on? Do you want to focus on Shopify sites and, get them to use another service? You can do that. Do you want to focus on sites that do email marketing with a certain tool and get them to switch over to another product? Do you want to focus on, people that use a certain tool and you can switch them over? So you need to think in terms of tools, right? We have Shopify as one category, a category of tools. We also have email marketing as another category. There are many, many categories. Here, I want to focus on one category. You can pick any category that you want, provided that you can find affiliate marketing offers where you can help people make money in, okay? So for instance, I'm going to focus on MailChimp, okay? So if I type MailChimp, I have various suggestions. Now, if you're not familiar with MailChimp is, I can show you exactly what it is, right? I used to actually use MailChimp myself when I started out years and years ago. And the problem with MailChimp is that they're not very friendly to affiliate marketers, okay? So they have good pricing. They also lack a bunch of features compared to kind of the traditional email marketing software. So for instance, they have these pricing, and they're not very happy when you're doing affiliate marketing on the platform. They might just ban your account. There have been experience with accounts getting banned. You can just Google for it. You're going to see various reports, people complaining, stuff like that. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, I would never recommend MailChimp. MailChimp is great, like if you have like a small newsletter or a big newsletter and you want to send information about your own product. But if you're doing affiliate marketing, you're doing something complex, MailChimp is typically not what people use. In fact, I don't know any affiliate marketer friend or colleague or acquaintance that uses MailChimp. Everybody uses other tools that are much better and much more robust. And so you can go in here and you can type MailChimp. Okay, so now I have technology. I can also specify a version. We don't really care about a version in this case. And I can click create list. I can also do keywords, It says here, target websites that use certain keywords such as brand, product, profession, or any noun. And so if I click on create list, it's going to take a while. Okay, so in order to save you some time, I already did this process. And so if I go in here, if I go to my account and I go into lead lists, I already have this list created. So right here, we are looking at all the lists that I created. So this is this list right here, MailChimp. I also have other lists as well here, but this is what we're going to be focusing on now. And right now, I want to show you a sample of the list that I got back, right? So if you open this spreadsheet here, this is a sample that I got back. I'm just showing you a quick sample. And these are sites, versions, traffic rank, IP country, right? You can see where they're based, US, Israel, Germany, India, IP region, right? Title, description. And these sites, according to this tool here, Wepalizer, they are using MailChimp in some capacity. So they're doing, marketing. They have some plugins and stuff for MailChimp. This site told me that these sites use MailChimp. And what you guys can do is you can target these people and ask them, hey, I noticed you're using MailChimp. If you're not happy with MailChimp, or you can even tell them, listen, MailChimp is not the ideal place to do affiliate marketing, or I know of another service that's a lot better. And that way you can promote competing products, right? So for instance, if I go back here and I go back to, Bing or Google, let's say I go to Google, and I go back to the search engine, and let's say I want to say MailChimp versus, and you're going to get a bunch of competitors, a bunch of substitutes. So one product I know is really good is Aweber, ConvertKit. I heard great things about. Constant Contact is another one. Klaviyo is another one. But one thing I would recommend is Aweber, right? Aweber is a great product. I have used them before. I closed my account, but I'm thinking about going back to their platform now. And so what you guys want to do is you want to read an article such as this one, and you want to make a pitch for Aweber, for them to switch. So you want to read an article, you want to look at cons and pros, and you want to find that, the things that Aweber does better, and you want to make a pitch to these people and say, switch over. Now, Aweber has a great affiliate marketing program, right? So if you Google for this is one of the best affiliate marketing programs. Take a look at this program. It's absolutely incredible. 30% recurring. You're not just getting a cut of the initial sale. You're getting 30% recurring for the life of the customer, okay? The affiliate program offers a recurring 30% commission for subscription services. There's no cost to sign up for the program, and checks are mailed on time monthly, okay? So there's some bonuses, pros and cons, etc., etc. You can learn more, and you can sign up for their affiliate program, right? This is their main page. Spread the word, earn money by referring other people to Aweber, and you can click on Start Getting Paid. You can sign up. You can go through the whole process, and you're going to have an affiliate link. So you can kind of read more about it. They give you some testimonials. They're giving you some resources that you can use, stuff like that. But in my view, like I closed my MailChimp account years ago, and I will never go back to MailChimp simply because they're not perfect for my needs and many other people that I know. And that is why, Aweber is the perfect option, because I will be reopening my account with Aweber very, very shortly, in fact, to do some email marketing coming up. So that is an option. Like I said, you don't need to do Aweber. You can do Constant Contact. You can do also, there's another one called Active Campaign that I used to use. If you watch one of my earlier videos, 2 years ago, I used to use Active Campaign. So here you have Active Campaign versus MailChimp, and this is actually an Active Campaign site. So they're actually, comparing, right? They're actually telling you, okay, for $9 per month, this is $9.99. You have unlimited emails with Active Campaign, but 500,000 emails per month with MailChimp, right? So they're comparing it, and actually Active Campaign is really, really friendly to affiliate marketing. Of course, as long as you don't spam everybody and doing something shady or illegal, Active Campaign is a great, great platform. I really like them a lot. And so you can do Active Campaign, affiliate marketing. You can do that, and you can find their program. And they also give you 20 to 30% recurring commission. Okay, they're very, very hungry for new customers and new clients. So you can do that. Now, let me show you something. If I go here, I have the domain name, right? I have the domain name. If you want to find their domain name, what you guys can do is you can simply go to lists here, and you can get the user, right? So you can go to products, you can do email verification, you can do website, verify the validity, stuff like that. Another site that you can go to is hunter.io. Great, great site. You can just type the domain name, find email addresses, and you're gonna get, their email addresses. Now, all I need to do is log in. In order to see this, all I need to do is sign up for a free account. So I'm gonna sign in using my own account, so I can show you. So I just signed into my free account. As you can see, this is the free plan, and I enter. And if I go ahead and copy the name of the domain here, I can get the results. So it says here 2 results, and I'm gonna get their email addresses. Now, these are business emails. We're not, soliciting anybody. We're not spamming anybody. We're just contacting people that want to be contacted, right? We even have the name, right? This is Chris. We can even contact them and say, hey, I noticed you're using MailChimp. Well, I want to see if you would be interested in switching. These are the reasons why it's a good idea to switch, etc., etc. You're going to get that information. You're going to get that from your research. If you type something like MailChimp versus Active Campaign, etc., etc., you're going to get that. So that is one option. And like I said, guys, you do not need to go out and look for MailChimp. Okay, so if you go in here, products, lead list, you can type any technology. You can type Shopify and have them switch over to something else. You can just go in here and type Shopify versus, and then you can have them to switch over to WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, all of these, a lot of these places, well, except maybe eBay, right? You can't, although eBay might have an affiliate marketing, program as well. You can have a store on eBay as well. So that is definitely a competitor to Shopify. So Magento, BigCommerce, eBay, all of these places, you can have them switch over. And that's kind of the beauty of this method. This is the sniper method, because you're finding very, very kind of unique people that have a certain technology, very, small, like a very narrow type of audience that you can target. And remember, guys, with marketing, the more defined your target, the more defined your audience, the better it is to the higher quality it is, right? You don't want to go out and just target everybody in the world. You want to find exactly who you're looking for. And the more defined your target, the more defined your range, the more specific your targeting, shall we say, the higher quality is the audience, right? So if you know they have MailChimp, they're doing business, they're in this niche, etc., you can tailor your pitch to them, and you can contact them and say, and you can create a Google Doc that has all these offers. You can just pitch them in an email and create a separate email, and you can just pitch them. And you can, go for any technology that you have, something you can type, Shopify here, and you're going to find Shopify. You can type WordPress, and you're going to see WordPress. You even have certain plugins, right? There's maybe a Google Tag Manager alternative, right? Something that's better. You can target that. This allows you to target a very, very unique audience that has been very hard or nearly impossible to do before. So it's really up to you. It's really up to your imagination. It's really up to where you want to take it. And, you can make as much money as you want if you're willing to do the actual targeting, you're willing to do the research. And at this point, it's really up to you how far you want to take it. All right, guys? So let me know in the comments below what kind of niches you want to target, what kind of technologies you want to target, what kind of people you want to target, and I will give you my honest opinion. I will give you some advice if I feel that I can help out in any way. So guys, please leave a comment in any case. It really helps the channel. Leave a like on this video. It really, really helps the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in these kinds of videos, and I will see you real soon.